I couldn't be more excited about how this event has been going so far. By far, this has been our greatest event, our biggest event. Tons of partners, tons of customers.
PT 2024 has been great. The turnout has been amazing. I love seeing people networking around. The agenda has a lot of diversity, from customer presentations to product updates to roadmaps, and it all connects and ties together.
I get a chance to ask some more questions I can't normally ask. Some of the deeper, maybe some of the, what problem do you really have that you can share with me in a kind of one-on-one, rather than trying to call some depth and go out with it. So really enjoying that aspect of it.
This is one of the most well-attended events that we've had the opportunity to be at. The Simsoft team provides a lot of valuable insight to not only our world, but especially in their specific region. So we're finding it very valuable for AMDT, and I hope the customers and Simsoft is finding it valuable as well.
It's a very unique confluence of individuals and organizations. There's a lot of different verticals, a lot of different markets that are represented by the attendees.
Simsoft has done a wonderful job of helping introduce us to some of their customers. We think there's a really good mutual benefit and partnership with the solutions that we offer, counterbalance each other, help their customers realize more value.
I don't know how you top what you've done this year. Really, it was awesome. Again, super well organized from the Simsoft team. Great job, and AVEVA, to support that. I think it's very valuable for the end users and for us as partners.
I'm looking for the other members of our teams in our departments that say, we want to talk about AI, we want to talk about integrating all of this data. Then why aren't you here, right? Why aren't you coming? This is where you need to come talk, see things.
So much engagement at the booth. We had a great session this morning, walking through Octoplant with a variety of customers and SIs. Very good turnout, very good discussions that we've had.
All in, it was just a really awesome event. I think everyone was pleasantly surprised at how everything turned out.
We've had over 300 people attend, partners, service providers, solution providers. The buzz, the presentations, everybody's excited. I can't wait for next year's event.